Welcome to RESPRO Academy audio lessons. Today's lesson, greetings and introduction. Hello everyone, welcome back. In our last lesson, we learned some basic greetings, but today we will learn how to introduce yourself and someone. There are 5 expressions that we commonly use to introduce yourself or someone. Imagine this, you are with Rahul. Shalini walks in. Both of them smile. Both of them look at you. And suddenly, you're responsible for introducing them. What do you say? Let's learn 3 expressions that can save you in this situation. The expression number 1, Rahul, this is Shalini. This is the easiest and most common introduction. Rahul is standing beside you. Shalini arrives. You simply say, Rahul, this is Shalini. Done. One sentence and the introduction is complete. Now, the second expression. Have you met Shalini? When do we use this? When you are not sure whether they have met before. Don't guess, ask. Rahul, have you met Shalini? If they have met, great. If they haven't, they will introduce themselves. Simple and natural. The next expression is this is Shalini. Sometimes you don't need a long sentence to introduce someone. Just say, this is Shalini, which is very short and clear. It is used everywhere. Today, you have learned 3 easy ways to introduce someone. First one, Rahul, this is Shalini. Have you met Shalini? This is Shalini. But what if you are introducing someone to a whole group? Or what if you want to make the introduction more interesting? We will learn that in the next lesson.
Thanks for watching. If you found this lesson helpful, please subscribe to the channel. Like this video, share it with others, and leave a comment below. Also hit the bell icon to stay updated on our future lessons.